Hello everyone, it's CryptoCop. Welcome back. You guys are waiting for the turbo coin price prediction because last time when I said take profit at 50s area, you didn't took a profit because you were getting extra over bullish that no, I will sell it at the highest and this and that. No, it is at 42s and we are going to talk about this in detail. The problem is single simple problem that when price goes upside and you guys watch the bullish and green candle, you start thinking that it will never come down and only good things. Okay, and when it start dumping down, you start thinking like it will never come upside again. So this is actually a psychology, and I think this is the cycle. When we go upside, we comes down because the correction is required. Correction is required. Correction is due. Profit taking is necessary thing, and this is just a message for the people who are following, who want to understand the things and proper about the charts and psychology and the concepts. So this is something. Now we will talk about two coin in this video. The first one is Turbo coin, and the next one is Neiro coin that is available on Binance Exchange. And a very important video it is that I told you that Neiro is going to follow the Turbo coin. Turbo, Neiro, and Baby Doge. These are the three coin. They are the sibling coin. Like they perform one by one sometime together. So Turbo did very well. Turbo is still looking bullish. We are going to talk about Turbo in a detail first, and make sure subscribe, turn on the notifications to never ever miss the upcoming updates. Here we will see $296 million market cap, around the $300 million. Volume is still so big, $360 million. Coin available to trade on all the US based exchanges, even on Binance. And now we will see a chart and setup, guys. This is something I told you that this is the target, and currently it is not losing its momentum. That was just a profit taking wick, and we have to wait and watch for the closing of this candle. Okay, what is the scenario now when we can buy back this coin again, guys? If I would be in your place, I would not buy again this coin. Okay, I would prefer to go on something that is just going to start now, similarly to the Turbo coin. And I shared Neiro coin yesterday, and I will talk about this in a detail in the same video. Okay, so currently it is standing at this zone, and 38 is the important region, and I think we have to hold above this area. And one more thing, we will go to the RSI, and RSI on a 2 day. Look at this, guys. On a 2 day, it is highly and extremely overbought here. A bit more upside, we can expect another retest toward 0.053 or even higher. But now we are at the highest. We need to have one red candle here, then we can confidently jump after a correction for the upside. Okay, right now that was just a wake upside, and it pumped big, guys, from here to here, 100% on a turbo coin. That was huge. Now we go to the 5 day, what the 5 day chart is telling us. Now, this is something you want to listen. On a 5 day, there's a huge upside room for the turbo coin, and May is gonna be great for the turbo if your target are high and if you're waiting for the highest level. Okay, another 100% from here to here, it would be like 0.0092. But on the first wave, it was very much juicy. On the next leg up, now we have to wait upside, downside, the risk involved, and all that thing. So that was my thought for the turbo. And now we will go to the Neiro. Where is the Neiro, guys? Yes, this is the Neiro. It is looking similar to the turbo coin before it exploded upside of 100% in a day. I'm going to show you something. These are the two target, like two levels here. 0.000037 is the target for this coin, and we are here at this area. And this coin is just trying to break this region of the 2460 is a very important. Okay, for the Neiro coin, 0.00025, you can say. Once we flip this area, okay, you will see the quick pump upside toward that region, like a turbo coin. From here to here, it is going to be 70%. But right now, it is struggling. And overall, we need to break this zone. I'm going to show you. We are still in the downtrend on a Neiro coin. Neiro is not just started. Okay, Neiro is very much early, and seems like there's a buying coming in this coin, and it is just trying to build the momentum here. I'm going to show you something. Overall, it is making lower lows, lower high, lower this, and okay, this is making this kind of a structure, and now it seems like it is here getting bottom out. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It is going to be the lower high, but right now we need to clear this zone. Once we clear, then the coin will break its downtrend, and you will see this is something here like this. Okay, or we will go upside toward the 37, or even guys toward the 0.065. But right now, as the Neiro on Binance, Neiro CTO is the name of this coin, is not moving upside. I think they decided this time to bring up a Neiro on Ethereum that I shared 2 days ago, that it is going to have a breakout at pump almost 100%. I made a video update on that coin that was also very juicy, like a turbo. Okay, so now they are putting more focus on Neiro on Ethereum. That is the reason. It seems like they are deliberately pumping that coin and ignoring this coin. But I think once that Neiro on Ethereum done, they will start shifting their moving their money to the Neiro on Binance. Like this is first Neiro on Ethereum. Okay, so this is the setup and this is the structure, guys. Nothing changed with the Nero, and just a matter of time. How low we can go? Another thing that is the important one. The maximum downside is like 19. Okay, this 10% down from here, like 15% down from here. What is the upside? Upside is huge. So the risk to reward ratio on Nero coin is very decent here, like 20 to 30% down, but the upside is just 100%. And market is picking up, momentum is looking good. Meme coin are pumping. May is bullish for the meme coin, and this is the top meme coin available on every exchange. So these were the reasons and the factors and analysis, price prediction about the Nero and Turbo. Always do your own research before buying and selling anything, guys. Thank you and bye bye.